How to cancel an Alibaba order. Need to cancel an order that you placed on Alibaba? This guide shows you how to cancel an order on the app so you can get your money back before it ships. First, open the Alibaba app and tap on My Alibaba or profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all your orders. Find the order that you want to cancel and tap on it to go to the order details page. In the order details, you'll see a button that says Cancel Order. Tapping this will start the cancellation process. You'll need to give a reason for why you want to cancel your order, so be sure to pick the right one. If the supplier hasn't shipped the order yet, the cancellation will be much easier. After you have cancelled the order, the supplier will be notified. Once they accept the cancellation, your money will be refunded to you. This can take a few business days, so be patient. You can check the status of the refund on My Alibaba section on the app. You now know how to cancel an order on Alibaba. Happy buying! Like and subscribe for more business tips.